If you're in year 9 or year 10, I'm going to go through some of the key points of cells that you need to know. So to start off with, we're going to look at what a cell is. A cell is the smallest unit found in an organism, so all living things are made up of cells. There are two types of cells that you need to know about, eukaryotes and prokaryotes. A eukaryotic cell does have a nucleus. Now when we're talking about a nucleus is a subcellular structure, so that's basically parts of a cell, so things that you find inside of a cell. So a nucleus contains genetic information, DNA, and it controls the activities of a cell. A eukaryotic cell does have a nucleus, but a prokaryotic cell does not have a nucleus. Examples of eukaryotic cells are plant cells and animal cells. Examples of prokaryotic cells are bacteria cells. Both animal and plant cells have got ribosomes, nucleus, mitochondria, cell membrane, and the cytoplasm. You need to know what each of these subcellular structures do, what's their function, what's their role. To help you remember the structures that are found in animal cells and in plant cells, use remember, never, call, mom, calm. So that's nucleus, ribosomes, mitochondria, cytoplasm, and the cell membrane. The ribosomes are where protein synthesis takes place. Remember, synthesis means to make, so ribosomes are where proteins are made. Mitochondria is where the chemical reaction respiration takes place. Remember, respiration releases energy. It's not the mitochondria that release that energy, it's the chemical reaction respiration. Respiration takes place in the mitochondria. The cell membrane surrounds the cell and it controls what substances enter and exit the cell. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance where chemical reactions take place. The cytoplasm contains enzymes that control this chemical reaction. Now remember, enzymes are proteins, they're biological catalysts that speed up the rate of reaction without getting used up. Now if we're looking at plant cells have got all these things that I've just mentioned that an animal cell has got. Plant cells have 3 extra parts. To help you remember them, use violins can't clap. The vacuole contains cell sap. This helps to keep the cell rigid and supports the plant. The cell wall is made up of cellulose. It gives the cell support and strengthens the cell. Chloroplasts contain a green pigment which is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs light energy from the sun that's needed for photosynthesis. And chlorophyll converts that light energy into chemical energy via the process photosynthesis. Remember, chlorophyll is found in the chloroplasts.